The advanced query capability in Aurora Endpoint Defense can help save time and simplify the process of threat hunting. This alert indicates that the Windows event tracing capability has been disabled. In addition to the description, we also have MITRE tactic and technique and applied response actions. And since it was detected by Aurora Focus, it was an EDR event. Included in Focus alerts, Alpha AI is available to provide the analyst useful information when and where it's needed. Using Alpha, we quickly learned that the disabling of ETW warrants further investigation. The parent process was PowerShell, and when used in this context, we should review further. Since this alert disabled event tracing, we'll use the advanced query capability to see what behavior the attacker may have tried to obfuscate. I'll start by copying the process ID for PowerShell. Then navigate to the Focus menu and select Advanced Queries. To build a query, Aurora Endpoint Security uses the Event Query Language, or EQL, pronounced equal. We can write a query to search for the PowerShell process ID from the alert. The syntax help on the left can guide us in building our query. We'll start with the process where process ID is equal to 6352, copied from our alert. The search results include all systems in our environment with a process ID of 6352, not specific enough to be useful yet. To narrow our search, we can filter for our specific device. We now see the results aren't specific to PowerShell. Let's write a query to focus on PowerShell events when the process ID is 6352. And because the event ID of PowerShell is always 4104, we can use that to filter our search results. We'll start our new query with scripting, where the PowerShell trace event ID is 4104, and then add back in our process ID. The search results are now specific to our device and PowerShell events. Notice that between each typed command, we see the event for the PowerShell prompt. Let's add one more element to our query to filter our results so this can be used for future PowerShell hunting. We'll add to our query that we do not want search results where the script block includes the word prompt. Because of the powerful EDR capabilities, we determined that a single alert was actually a part of a larger campaign. We see the attacker did some recon, then created a backdoor and a new user, establishing persistence. Finally, they tried to cover their tracks by deleting the Windows event history. More information is available by clicking on any event, which will expand the details. This PowerShell query proved to be very effective. It can be saved as a template for future use in hunting scenarios. To do so, we simply need to click the Save as Template. Then, provide a name and description, and then click Save. We now have a template library from which we can choose from at any point in the future. Advanced queries are just one of the many powerful hunting tools available on Aurora Endpoint Defense. This, in tandem with full response capabilities, gives you the ability to get all the information you need so you can take the appropriate action with confidence.